in the heart of the Enchanted Forest, where whispers of ancient tales echoed through the rustling leaves, and the rivers sparkled with an ethereal glow, a hidden secret awaited discovery. It was during one of my wisdom-seeking flights that I stumbled upon a place untouched by time, an elusive cave concealed behind a curtain of ivy and shadows. It was, little did I know, within this hidden sanctuary, a revelation awaited, a discovery that would forever change the destiny of our enchanted home. And there, in the heart of the cave, a breathtaking sight met my eye, an array of magical crystals, each radiating with the essence of virtues that would weave the fabric of our forest's destiny. Kindness, honesty, generosity, courage, and friendship, all encapsulated within these mesmerizing crystals. Little did I know, that this discovery would set into motion a tale of unity, friendship, and the enduring magic of virtues.
The wise old owl, Ollie, has found something powerful in the heart of the forest. Something that could ruin everything for us.
What is it, leader?
A crystal of kindness. It radiates a warmth we've never known. We must take it. Imagine the chaos we could create with the kindness stripped away. Let's steal it.
The forest is like a delicate symphony, and each crystal represents a note in that melody. Without the kindness crystal, the notes are discordant, and the once vibrant harmony is fading away. We must embark on a quest to retrieve the kindness crystal from the Gloomies. The virtues embodied in these crystals are the lifeblood of our home, and without them, the forest is slowly losing its magic. The Gloomies' dark energy leaves a trail. Follow me, my friends. Our journey begins now, and it's a path that will test our virtues and strength. The Gloomies have set obstacles to test our virtues. This magical barrier can only be crossed with honesty. I am confident I've always been honest. Watch this. Courage is required to cross this bridge. It may be old, but we must trust it in each other. I'm nervous but determined, and I'll go first. No bridge can scare me. I can smelling the mist. Generosity is the key here. The mist responds to selfless acts. See, this butterfly is struggling to fly. Let's help the butterfly. Generosity comes in many forms. Let's create a bed of flowers for the butterfly. This cave is scary, but friendship will lighten our way. We must trust each other and stay close. The time has come to restore the harmony we lost. The kindness crystal must return to its rightful place. The time has come to restore the harmony we lost. Look at the forest. It's coming back to life. This is amazing. Kindness, honesty, and friendship are the magic that restores harmony. Embrace these virtues, and you will create a world filled with joy and unity.